Hello, today in this video we will learn about project users management in Testim. To demonstrate that, let's get back to our Testim project and click on the users icon in the main navigation. Here you can see all your teammates that are assigned to this project. They might be company owners, project owners, or regular users. You might also see the invitation that you have sent to a user to join a project, but they are yet to accept the invitation. That's why they are in pending status. To add a teammate, simply click on the teammate button and add your teammate's valid email address. You can add as many as you like. Once you've added all the email addresses, all you have to do is just hit on invite and an invitation will be sent to their email addresses. And here you can see it as pending. Once the new teammates join the project, they will be able to view, edit, and run all the tests in your project. They'll also be able to see the test results and invite other users. Any teammate can invite other teammates to the project, but to remove a teammate from the project, you have to be the project owner. A project owner can add or remove other teammates. They can also assign other users as project owners. So for example, this is a regular user. I can either delete the regular user or assign her as a project owner. You can also search for your teammates through the search library. You can enter their name and search for it. So this was all about project users management. Also note, you can have multiple company owners and project owners in a specific project. Thank you.